Hi students, teachers and dear parents. Welcome to the yet another episode of your favorite educational YouTube channel, VTALKS. In my previous lesson, we discussed about proper fractions, and in today's video, we will discuss about improper fractions. So do not forget to watch this video till the end.
Hi students, today in this video we are going to learn improper fractions with the help of my fraction kit. So let's start. This is a square, and as you can see, this square has not been divided into any equal part nor is broken. It means that this is a complete or whole one square. Now let's divide this square into 4 equal parts. So for that I am using this small squares. You can see. So in this way I have divided one square into 4 equal parts. You can see now. So the whole square is now divided into 4 equal parts. You can see. So this part can be considered as 1/4. Okay, now this is 2/4, this is 3/4, this is 4/4, this is 5/4, this is 6/4, and this is 7/4. So you can write this in this way, like 7/4. Okay, now this is a rectangular sheet. Now if you observe, this rectangular sheet is not been divided into any equal parts nor is broken. So this is whole rectangular sheet. So it's 1. Now let's divide this rectangular sheet into 2 equal parts. So let's divide this with the help of these 2 rectangles. Now if you can observe, the whole is now divided. The whole rectangular sheet is now divided into 2 equal parts. So this part can be considered like half. Okay, so this is 1 half, this is 2 half, this is 3 half, this is 4 half, this is 5 half. So in this way these 5 halves can be written like this: 5 halves. Now friends, I have another rectangular sheet. So this is another rectangular sheet. You can observe this. This sheet has not been broken down and not been divided into any equal parts. So this can be considered as one whole. Now let's divide this rectangular sheet into 3 equal parts with the help of this square. Okay, now let's divide this. Now you can see here we have divided the one rectangular sheet into 3 equal parts, and each one equal part, this one equal part can be considered like 1/3. So this is 1/3, this is 2/3, this is 3/3, this is 4/3, this is 5/3. In this way you can write this. It is 5/3. Now let's observe this. Now just observe this fraction, this fraction, and this fraction. This is called numerator. Okay, and this part is called as denominator. Okay, so in all these fractions, if you can observe it minutely, you will come to know that the numerator is greater than the denominator. in this fraction as well, numerator is 5 and the denominator is 2. So the numerator is greater, and in this fraction as well, if you can observe it minutely, you will come to know that the numerator is 5 and the denominator is 3. So numerator is greater than the denominator. So the fractions in which numerator is greater than denominator, such fractions are called the improper fractions. So in this way we have learned what are the improper fractions. Thank you very much for watching this video, and please do not forget to share and subscribe.